With this video I show you how to set up charter durations unlike a week for certain yachts. Go to Configuration, Catalogs and Prices, select the catalog you want to edit, click on Discounts and Packages, scroll down and click on the button Add New Group of Packages. Name it, for example, Charters Unlike 7 Days for Yachts 1 and 2. Assign the base, and from this base I just assign the yacht 1 and 2. Then I click on Close and I click on Save. Then, still in the line of the package Charters Unlike 7 Days for Yachts 1 and 2, I click on Add Package. I name it, for example, Weekend. I make check-in day Friday. I select 3 days. I want for this maybe 60% of the weekly price. Check-in time, check-out are taken automatically from the base settings. I can leave it if I don't want to change it. And I click on Save. For the same yachts I can set up a different package. For that I just go to Add Package. This time I want to add the package mid-week. Again I want to have 60% of the charter price. The check-in would be, for example, on Monday. The duration 4 days. All the other stuff stays the same. And I click on Save. And last but not least, I want to add a 10-day charter package for the same yachts 1 and 2. I click on Add Package. I name it 10-day charter. For this I want to have, for example, 150% of the weekly price. The check-in would be on a Friday. The duration 10 days. The rest, for my example, I can leave it like it is. And I click on Save. Now I have set up some nice custom packages with a charter duration different than 1 week. And one tip for the end: you can combine this feature under the same package with a selection of a custom check-in day for the yachts assigned to this package. So let's go again here. For my former example I had set up different check-in days for yachts 1 and 2, and I selected them to be Monday and Friday. Instead of putting my package weekend, midweek and 10-day charter, I would have been perfectly able to add these 3 packages also under this group, because both the duration and the check-in days fit already very well to the group of check-in days I have set up before. I hope you enjoy working with Yachtsys.